Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Kraken egg. First, ensure you have a Kraken egg in your inventory. You'll also need ample open space, preferably water, for the summoning. Make sure your surroundings are safe before proceeding. This easy method will guide you through each step, ensuring a successful summoning. Get ready to unleash a powerful ally. Once you're ready, simply right-click the Kraken egg to initiate the summoning process. A magical animation will begin, indicating the egg is activating. It's important to stand a safe distance away during this phase. Watch as the egg pulsates and grows, preparing to unleash its powerful inhabitant into the world. After the activation sequence, a magnificent Kraken will emerge from the egg. This creature is now your loyal companion and will follow your commands. You can direct it to attack enemies, explore underwater areas, or even assist with resource gathering. Remember, your Kraken is a formidable ally, ready to aid you in many adventures. For optimal results, always summon your Kraken in a large body of open water. While powerful, your Kraken isn't invincible, so protect it from strong hostile entities. Keep in mind that summoned Krakens have a limited duration before they return to their mystical slumber. Make the most of its presence while it's with you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.